Hi, is this recording? I have no idea. I'm just sort of wanting to explain this hairstyle or how I do it. First, I started off with the blow dry brush. I washed my hair last night and I used the blow dry brush just to go over it this morning. And I have a video on that. It's that Revlon or something. It's like a blow dry brush I got from like Amazon. I don't think it's the Revlon one, but I'm not totally sure. Anyways, this is the curved twisted iron, and I am going to willy-nilly this and make some messy curved flat iron slinky waves. So this is a texture technique, but it also adds shine because it's a flat iron and it has heat. This particular flat iron does not have a lot of heat. It's actually not a professional one. There is a really good one out there that's on sale at Ulta from Beveled. Look how curly that one is. Woo! And I'm just mixing it up, so there's no... I do like to try to make sure I can get the bevel going in the right direction. But like I said, it doesn't really matter. It gets a little dry at the ends because I didn't put any product on the hair, so it kind of stops at the ends, but I do pull it through a few pieces. I mean, if you put oil on the ends, then it'll slip right through, but I don't want to put any product on my hair. This is the first day hair, so, and I want to do, looks during the week with it without having to rewash my hair. That's a good one. It just slid right through. I like to section out this whole first part of the head. It's a behind the ear parting, and that works for me because my hair's like thicker in the back and it's longer. So as you can see, I'm just inserting it, getting confused as to which way that bevel's going, but it's all good because it is a textured look, and it's never going to be so like it's just going to always be slinky-ish because I'm just pulling it through. So you don't have to really worry too much about messing it up. And that's why I like it. It's very soft looking. Okay, turning that around so I can do it away from the face. I go back over a lot of pieces. It gets easier every time because, like I said, that heat really starts to make the hair shine and make it easier to slide through the ends. Kind of tames it in a natural looking way. I will be shaking all that out at the end, so I'm not really worried about all that. And just keep that bevel does confuse me. And yeah, which way does it go? Well, that always a good way, away. And I'm just twisting it and letting it slide through. Ta-da! Really don't need to go back over it, so just let it be. Yeah, I was remembering that word slinky. I did Marge Hedberger's hair for a movie once. I remember I really loved working with her because she was in so many of my favorite Stephen King movies, and ooh, look at that slinky look. And after I did her hair, she was like, I like it. It's slinky. And that was great compliment. So I guess this back part, I'm going to take kind of slowly and just start at these ends all together. It just sort of is going to make it, kind of tamer with all that heat. I don't want to brush my hair because I'm just going to use that heat to get it to be tame. So it's hard kind of to see where I'm at while I'm filming, but like I said, I'm really just interested in putting this heat on it. It's not super hot, this iron. Like I said before, it does not get really hot. And just gonna pull it through the ends there. So I just kind of want heat at the top part to make it smoother, and I just want to pull it through the ends so I can get the curl at the bottom, and that'll kind of keep it together in the back a little bit. So it's really fun. This is like one of the funnest tools. It's ta-da! It's like a magic moments tool where you just go ta-da at the end, and I love that. I'm giving this one some twist and pulling it through, and those ends are gonna get softer and softer the more I do it, so I'm just going over it a lot.